How you doing, guys? This is Pori Commanders to the channel. Stand up what you're doing. Today is raining all day long. Unavailable to go outside right now. And a little bit upset because I'm 24-hour mom every single day. And you have children, now listen very well you told them. Not talk or take it to stop. And I listen very well. Let me know. Yeah, I have one. That's only. Excuse me one second. Stop clean it up. Oh, that's always my sack. Stop. Yeah, I'll do a solid stop. Solid. This is my headphones I have in my neck. And I listen music later. Maybe I'm gonna record it more tomorrow. Yeah, I have style my hair. Need to go wash my hair. Okay, put this in here. This is a small charger. Put it on my table. And my son making some mess. I don't know why the table is so dirty. And that's happened when you have 9-year-old boy. Sorry guys, I'm really not good, but remember guys, subscribe, put on side you like the videos, press the bell you receive notification every time I make a new video. Subscribe to below. I have not chat. I'm gonna put it soon Saturday. Gonna put it up. I have to put a Facebook and my YouTube channel. I don't know how to do it. Somebody know how to do it. Let me know. I'm gonna make a. I need to get permission to my boss and ask her to record it and then introduce you guys about that place, and then you can see that place and others. And asking my friend can record it, them, and then they can then ask a couple questions about them can one B and the B, because I'm trying to help them to get new house or apartment or new house, part-time or full-time job, and get food stamp and Medicaid or disability section or any information they need. Um, I don't know how to do that, but probably gonna do that soon. Tomorrow is our last day for school. I can wait for that. The next month's gonna be my birthday. I'm gonna be 35 and 35-year old. I can't believe that. You found that? Sorry, I'm trying to find my headphones. I can't find anything. What are you looking for? It's orange on the table. Get some water bottles in the fridge. Manuel, hey, give me get some bottle of water in the fridge too. Not that one. It's the other one. Give me all the water. It's in the fridge. It's a different one. The new one's bottle. Mana, the one is in the door. It's in the door. Mana, open the door, please.
I did.
Yeah, that one.
Can I have it?
No, give me that one. Open the top. I don't like this.
You know you just closed it.
Yeah, but I don't like the top. This one. Excuse me, guys. It's not raining too much. We can go to the library. A little bit.
Oh yeah, it's not raining no more.
It's gonna rain all day.
Mom.
We have to go to the library later.
You know we can go right now.
Tomorrow's the last day of school. I can wait that.
We can go to the library right now.
I have to make a video too.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah.
That's not a good answer.
Okay, sorry.
Remember what I'm doing now. Thank you. And yeah, well said, guys. I'm trying to make it as
YouTube videos.
make more videos as my friend to record them to and show you guys and put on my Facebook page.
You mean you need a camera holder?
Instagram, Twitter,
Snapchat.
and Snapchat soon. I'm gonna do it Saturday because that's the time I have minutes on the phone. For now, I'm gonna do some. For now, as you see outside the weather. That's from the apartments. That's the office. That's the place for visit apartments. Car is there's the screens. That's one of my paintings. I sell that. That's a camel. I do everything I can. For now, I do everything I can. I don't know what time it is. Let me check. Oh, it's not a bad time. It's a good time to go into the library today. Today is Thursday. No, not bad idea. But I said, guys, I'll make a different video. Remember, subscribe, put a thumbs up, press the bell. You can
Hit that little bell, leave a like and subscribe, and make sure you never miss a video. And do not mind this, please. Sorry.
And subscribe up below. And remember,
Make sure
guys,
you watch each of our videos.
and put a thumbs up. You
Take
like
the
the
camera
videos.
away.
And put us on you like the videos, guys, and try to provide these videos and help my community then can have more job for my community. And see you tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow I'm gonna make a different video. Let me see what we can make. See you guys. And remember, guys, God bless you. I love you and God bless you, guys.